What are you gonna ask me?
I was going to ask you, what attracted you to
When Tommy told you he's going to marry me, or did he told you what? No, you think that what this woman?
well, we thought you were very young. And was your husband in the Philippines?
I don't have a husband in the Philippines. I have a husband here. So tell me about your boyfriend.
Which one? Holy is very important.
It's nice outside. I'm gonna take this off. It's so tight.
You want to make room for food?
Yeah. We have Spanish rice, guys, and the vegetables that I made. This is a steak, man. A steak and string beans.
Good.
You don't even try it yet. You did? Roxy, behave. Hey. Hey. Is it too flavorful to you?
No.
This is not salt. The one that you're tasting like kind of salty. It's a soy. It's a low sodium soy. The Kikoman I got today. Oh no, the other day. It's a low sodium soy. Less sodium.
Less sodium.
Yeah. It's like it's more like.
Cold?
No.
Oh.
Why you cold? You're the one get cold all the time.
No.
Just need to finish this. There's more over there, Mom. Rice. I don't give you meat because we have meat already.
Yeah.
The beef. I mean, I don't give you chicken.
That's what we're having tomorrow.
Yeah. It's a really nice day. So tomorrow is gonna be really hot, I think.
Really? Tommy said it was like 80, 81
Yeah.
at home.
Here too. Hey, hey. Come here.
Good girl.
Good mistake.
Good girl. You're a good girl.
It's me and Mom. We were talking about boyfriend. That you know, before our husbands.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you.
She cannot even count how many she had. I asked her how many. I said 10, 8, and this is more than 10. What are you gonna ask me?
I was going to ask you, what attracted you to Tommy?
He's old. No, I like
He'll
older.
die fast.
No, I like elderly. Elderly. Not older. I like older than me. I told you that before.
Yeah.
But he is good, Tommy, that's why.
Huh?
He's good. Because I told her, guys, that when I was I had a boyfriend, Filipino boyfriends, and I told him that I thought I'm not gonna get married because everybody is like, you know, cheating and play games with me. So I really thought that no one is really intent to like wanna marry me because they're all playing. So yeah, Tommy is different.
Tommy was different.
Yeah, he's older, but you know, he's very serious. And he proposed. So what do you want me to say? No. Of course I said yes. So what do you think? It's okay if I put you in the camera?
What do you want?
No, it's okay if I show you to the camera?
hell.
Okay. So what do you think when Tommy told you he's going to marry me, or did he told you what?
No, he didn't say, but he brought you in, and I knew Tommy, and he didn't do these things easily.
Yeah.
So I caught him and I said, well, caught him in a corner one day, and I said, Tommy, do you plan to marry this girl? He looked at me, he says, yes.
He doesn't say no. I don't know. No. He doesn't say that. I don't know.
No?
He said yes.
And it was shortly after that you got your
2 years.
engagement ring.
No, I think it was 1 year later. Oh no, 2 years later. No, I think 1 year later he gave me the ring, and then next year, like 2 years, then we get married. 1 year we get engaged, and then another year for the wedding. So 2 years.
I remember everybody heard about the ring, and everybody wanted to see the ring.
What do you think when he showed you the ring?
It was beautiful.
What did he told you when he got the ring?
Oh, he didn't tell me until he gave it to you. He told me he was going to marry you, but he didn't tell me he had bought a ring or anything.
Nothing.
You were first to know. Tommy has always been as many people, as many girls as he's known, that went all over him. I mean, he was very popular.
He's good looking. When he's good looking. Guys, Tommy is very good looking, and when he was in his younger age, he's more like good looking. Yeah, I saw a lot of picture.
Yeah, and
What, Mom?
and when he brought you home, I thought that was very strange. And when he said yes, I said, uh-oh. I said, this is it. I said, he found it.
And of course, you have first impression when you saw me, because I'm really small. I was size 0, which is more smaller, and I'm really short, and I'm really young. So I know you have first impression. I know you think that, what this woman?
Well, we thought you were very young. I told him, I said, do you think she's too young?
And
he said, no, and I don't think she thinks so either. I said, okay. Because everybody kept thinking you were his daughter or his niece or...
yeah, I don't like, when I first meet everybody, the person that I don't like already, I just want to be honest. So you were shocked, huh?
I was shocked because he knew an awful lot of people, an awful lot of girls, and you know, a lot of them were crazy about him, but none of them hit the, you know, he dated a couple, and
before
then
me,
it was over.
No, I want to ask you. After Estelle, that's his last girlfriend, Estelle. Estelle. And did he dated another people?
Huh?
No, like date, you know, out, like after Estelle.
No.
He doesn't go out or anything, meet people for the date, nothing before me?
Nothing I remember. No, Tommy was always true blue.
What? I don't understand.
And, well, if he liked you, he liked you. And he didn't play around with anybody else. And he was always expecting.
Hey.
He always expected what he would, you know, when you went out with a girl, that she would do the same with him.
Yeah.
And he wouldn't take any baloney from anybody.
Yeah. Well, I told Tommy when we first met, I told him, if you are just playing, I told him, if you are just playing around and not serious, I don't want, I don't want a relationship with you. I told him, because there's so many people in my past that it's already, I'm done. So, but he continued, so I guess he's serious.
And was your husband in the Philippines?
I don't have a husband in the Philippines. I have a husband here before.
Yeah, but he would go to the Philippines and pick up girls. So what did he think about you going out
Oh, Tommy.
with Tommy?
He want me back.
Mm-hmm.
You know that. You hear that. I don't know if you remember.
I didn't know that he wanted
I don't
to
know
back.
if you remember. Like, he kept calling me, I'm already with Tommy.
Mm-hmm.
And he kept calling me, I'm with Tommy already, and he want me back. And I said no.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
The way he treated?
No, he's already have 3 women. That so why?
Really?
Behave, Roxy. Hold
There's
on.
something over there. What is it they're barking at?
Yeah, please, behave, huh? You belong inside. There's a lot of bugs, eh? When Tommy brought me home, 4 o'clock in the morning, she's still awake. You're still awake. 4 o'clock in the morning. So tell me about your boyfriend.
Which one?
How many do you have? Which one? No, the past. Did you have a boyfriend, Mom, when you were flying? You met a guy when you were flying. When you were flying, flight attendant. You met a guy?
Mm-hmm. But he was another one that liked to play around.
Not serious.
No. I never tell you that story, I guess.
What?
This one guy, we were on the flight. We had been out to dinner all together. So when we landed, we went out together. And we had dinner and we danced. We had a good time. And then we all started going home. And he said, I'll walk you home. And I said, fine, thank you. To the hotel where we were staying. And I was ready for what came, I think, because I was prepared what I would do. And we got to the door. And I opened the door to go in, and I said, thank you. I said, I'll see you. And next thing I know, the foot was coming in the door. And I closed the door in front of his foot. And I said, no. I said, you go home. Or wherever you belong. I said, but not here. And he says, oh, I won't stay long, he said. I said, no. I have things to do. And I'm going to bed early. I thank you for walking me home. But that's it. So that happened. He went home. He knew I wasn't going to let him in. And the next day, we took off. And I guess the guys all asked him, well, how'd you make out? You know, how was she? And so on and so forth. And he must have told them what happened. Next time I went by with the captain, the co-pilot were and whatnot, they looked at me and they said, well, we know, we understand you're an icicle.
Icicle?
What? We understand you're an icicle. And then it hit me, you know.
What does that mean, you're icicles? You're cold?
That wouldn't let him in. I was cold. And I said, oh, well, if you call that an icicle, I said, more power to you. I said, it wasn't just an icicle, it was a goodbye. Well, they cracked up laughing. That was a joke for a long time.
And that guy is flying with you. It's with you with the plane.
Yeah, he was like I was.
I was a
He
flight
was an
attendant.
attendant. And they picked on him. All the
Busted.
flight.
Busted.
When I married my husband, he knew for real.
Huh?
I married my husband, and we just moved into the house. I remember we were in one of the rooms, and he said, "Oh, I'm planning to go away with them." They were really good friends, and he says, "Just for a few days." I said, "That's okay with me." I said, "But don't let me find out that that's not what is happening, and that's not what you're doing." I said, "Because I won't say anything, but you'll wake up without something that you prize."
You're gonna cut his thing.
I said, "You'll wake up without it." I said, I assure you, don't take me for a joke. Boy, he never tried.
Of course, you're gonna cut his thing. He's afraid. That's what I told Tommy too. I'm gonna cut it.
What do you have in there?
It's the cucumber that you don't like. The spicy one.
Oh, the spicy one?
Yeah, it's done already. Anyway, guys, that's our talk of the day.
Oh, call me, please. I miss you so much. I
need coffee. I need lunch.
I need to talk to you so much. Call me. Please call me. It's very important. I've been dying to get your phone number. And I got a phone number and it was the wrong one. I can't reach you. I can't reach anybody. Call me.
Come here, baby. Come here na. You behave na ha.
Oh, you come to me, huh?
Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. $5. We have it clearance because it's already fall. We don't even know, Mom, right? We don't even know. Kapag